Hello student, today we are going to study about the Chalcolithic age. This is our chapter number 2, early humans. Let's start. Chalcolithic age, also known as Copper Stone Age. Why the name is Chalcolithic? The word Chalcolithic has been derived from the two Greek word chalkos, which means copper, and lithios means stone. That's why Chalcolithic means Copper Stone Age. Thus, the Chalcolithic Age is referred to as Copper Stone Age because, along with the copper and the stone, these people also use bronze. It roughly covers the period from about 4000 BC to 2000 BC. So, approximately the is about 2000 years. This period marks the transition from Stone Age to Metal Age. Means we can say that in this age people shifted from stone to metal. Copper was the first metal to be discovered and used in this age. Over a period of time, human beings discovered many other metals also. They slowly learned the art of making alloy by mixing two or more metals. They mixed two or more metals and makes an alloy. Bronze was the first made by mixing copper and zinc. Thus, this period is Chalcolithic Age, was also known as the Bronze Age because bronze also discovered in this age. It roughly extends from period of 3000 to 1000 BC, approximately 2000 years. Now, these four prominent civilizations grow in the valley of the Nile River in Egypt, Tigris and Euphrates River in Mesopotamia, Huanghe River and Yangtze River in northern China, and Indus River in northwest India. This is all the rivers. Iron Age was the next age which started in around 1200 BC as iron was a much harder substance and available in plenty, matlab in excess. It encouraged the growth and the spread of civilization and ushered in the new age of evolution and advancement of human civilization. During the Iron Age, people across much of Europe, Asia, and a part of Africa began making tools and weapons. All people started to make tools and weapons. Main feature of the Chalcolithic Age. The main features of the Chalcolithic Age are the Metal Age. During this period, human begins learning the art of smelting and molding copper into desired shape. They melted the copper, iron, and desired shape, like knife, shepherd, swords. Making of copper were found to be much better than the stone tools of earlier ages. Plows having 5 or 7 metal blades replaced plow attached with the stone blades. Sharper metal blades of plows made practicing agriculture more easier and led to its development. The blades of copper or metals are easily working than the stone, so they shifted on the metals. Next topic is uh, monuments. Many monuments were made in this age by using sharper implements. Stone houses, stone temples, stone tombs, stone pillars, and pyramids were the most important stone monument built during the period in different part of the world. Many stone temples were made during this period for worshipping god and goddesses. At many places, stone tombs were built for burying the dead. After that, they built their body at many places like stone tombs. In Egypt, these stone tombs were called the pyramids, and the most famous of them were those of the pharaohs and kings. Many of the pyramids were built with a number of different stone materials. Most of the materials were fairly rough, low grade. Now, society. The structure of society become more complex in the Chalcolithic age due to the increase in their number. Now population is increasing, the society was dividing into different classes on the basis of occupation of the people. During their this period, people found different way of expressing themselves with which made communication easier. Now, on the basis of occupation, farming become the main occupation of the people in this age. Like agriculture, all other occupation of Neolithic time continue in this age. Weavers made cloths by using fine threads like cotton, flax, wool, and silk by spinning weeds. They also perfected the art of making cloth by animal skins. Bones needles were used in stitching garments. They used needles of the bones to stitch their garments. Animal hearing, fishing, hunting, and pottery were other occupation of this period. Barter system. Human beings began to produce a large number of goods in this age and exchange them with the other goods. They exchange their goods with the other goods which they need. So barter system prevailed. Over a period of time, this system became popular, and after the passage of time, the barter system became more popular. Use of wheels were largely used in making carts of wagons for rolling them out. It was also used to turn the spindle by fixing a pin in the spinning wheel. Now, sailboat. Sailboat was used for traveling from one place to the another in this age. With the help of sailboat, people used to travel from one place to another. Invention of the sailboat made it possible to cross the river, lake, etc. and go to the far off places. The most important, the religion. Like the Neolithic age, people continue to worship nature gods like sun, moon, rain, sky in this age too, and performs rituals and ceremonies to appease them, to make them happy. So student, that's all from this chapter. Exercises of this chapter I will give you in our next class. So till then, read the chapter twice because this chapter is very lengthy and very important. If you have any problem in this chapter, you can contact me. You all have my number. So students, thank you for listening. Read it carefully at your home. Thank you.